isolated landmass on the planet. There is no permanent population. There is no horizon, no shadows. There is only white. Nature never intended for you to survive here. But this here, nature, is not the only thing to fear.
Delta 1-1 to base. We're making our final approach.
Carrie Stetco, please call comm at 282.
This is United States Marshal Carrie Stetco, over.
We have a real situation developing.
What happened out there?
We were out looking for meteor samples, and then the radar went off the chart. We hit something big.
Oh my God. What the hell happened here?
I want to evac the base. I've already got 2 bodies on my hand.
We could be stuck here.